sebe Accra no 1 ton is 50 Ghana. 1 ton is 60 Ghana. 1 ton is 70 Ghana mpo. Na yakase okay and yes adia also wo mu profit be at 30 Ghana. 100 Ghana. Wo na wo di to me na sha wo say edi mia unia. To make it look say sebe eduani ni omanimu. But through the budget, despite all we are going through, we still have a trade surplus. What creates a trade surplus? Can those people who are insulting us here tell us what creates a trade surplus? You will be able to create a trade surplus only when you are able to produce more than you can consume. So you will be able to get some and transport abroad. That is trade surplus. Yay. Mutie. We are able to produce a day no the feed who say ne de ye nya bayire ni bi e de kwa America koton e ye no kore. Last me the who video wa ha kire. And ne de abroad ye nya bi di wo Ghana ma yetumi nya bi ye den e de kwa ma no ne koton. Nti ye wo trade surplus. Emba kwa. Se aduane ni ho a wo nya trade surplus. Enti anka Ghana ni ti ase. Anka Ghana ni ti ase pa. Anka mukwa market ya. Womo bubo mu epo no mo be chi empanifo adwea ba so say market women e bi tumi aso mo nsam e buni nu yakom timpanifo mo strike won so sankwase ade we no mo ye na Rawlings be ro ewe omo hu cho mo ma no now so me mo fan chame, but sometimes you have to give them some of the reason why Rawlings did some of the things he did. And kwase asem we say nti and na Rawlings ro ya ma me mo hu e cho ma ya simpre no. Because of Baye, Pesamin Kuminya greed. What person or non qua tongue didi or non qua me, sending me a nebia and talk cry and fano. It's not Rawlings by or Belrom who charm man, cause who say, we are bay for Jimmy for a baby by no munya brody and be put a matter and the brody a Ghana brody a sporto. Oh, sorry, I know where's sporto. What be that? And the other new room, but you are sending some away. Logic would always beat the people who are not willing to learn. The people who just read headlines and fool with it. Like I said, on any given day, NPP will be a better government than anybody. Yankoha, may the most start here free. So that. Okay. Abangibia, when you are confronted with issues, they expect you to come up with solutions. NDC Fonya problem 2013 no. The only solution who say betumi aye and some be call IMF. And at 2014 they call IMF. Now yan share they are buying we so ye and their opeso achieve at the end of this. Also robots, digitized technological and then technology architecture. Okay. Into what is that supposed to do? Sabro fi o maka be bebre unique identification to aid revenue mobilization, expenditure management, and enhance security. And you know, we are creating a technological system. And I say, ye creative space bia, to me abua. Now, unique aid identity to revenue mobilization. They say we will get more people onto the tax system so that the government can also gain more access. So as I say, they said the e-levy expanding and now more people are now being swooped into. No, that is what these people is trying to do. So that at the end of the day, when it's all said and done, now we will have more people paying taxes, hereby helping the government. Also, expenditure management and enhanced security. And where you saw how are all spending the seeker. Kwanya offers to spending the sikano. Is it in the right way sense? Is it helping? Is it not helping? Checking security said the bayan crofobia and for zeros me and sebi and kwashe scanning kwajingo mubutum. MPP for ya then no yes we are no. Ya train NDC from the Emra. Improve connective transport and communication infrastructure. Into what they are trying to do is to promote national and regional trade. Adentia and Nesa ya starting here railway lines. Mekai se misano men and no admission edemeko way railway lines or cantamanto. Into what that does and say internally no internal. So I say internally no ye benini railways near the idea ebema trade transport movement of our goods and services and stuff no are viable and easier. If you want to see an evidence of that, Nansiani be Accra to Tema railway line. It's going to boost the working conditions of the people that lives in Accra and works in Tema, or lives in Tema and works in Accra. Oko Impakadine, Oko Sekendi, any of those places are here now. This is what we are doing so we can transport stuff. It's yes, I buying it to our only game plan. I buying it with a game plan. I buy the game plan, yeah, and they say, all call IMF. Edene on one budget, I call IMF and start to say the NDC for any debit or finding ways to bet my day and mobilize it and grow the economy. Out to the financial architecture with Development Bank of Ghana, something that I really love. Something that I really love. Samobekaya, Development Bank of Ghana. Maybe can't want them. NDC for no mudi attempts at an Amiras Kutukawa, be this be the attempt na and ADB here, the ADB a commercial bank and for we know a development bank here. Oko USA do or Canada, you will be Germany do or France do or Kura a developing in an more development bank. Development bank then a development bank there and say a mass small to long-term loans. Said the Ebeya, would the best share a jumem. Sa bank way there, they are all ya and say. All ma loan na we dey koye adwuma ono ne de no ni sika o de ma no o de ma wo se we di ko bie company we di ko hye wo company ye ka se ye be ye na NDC for to to ayampia na me ne wo ka se Akufo Addo somewhere early in the year was the last ending of last year and call was it no, it wasn't Germany, it was another European country, and I think Switzerland. And okokwaji 170 million euros. You start to say the beye sa we bank of Development Bank of Ghana. Something as a we trader, we a small scale worker. We be a BB say you should be happy for it because this is a place here and ya buying and they control. Now I say with your share party and no demand with Skadebi. This is a project here where be a free MPP NDC. So far as I was a business idea, who was a business project, and they say this is what you want to do. The development bank now becomes the place where you go and get these loans. A bit to me, this is a government that thinks. What is the end game of it? The end game is making medium and long-term credits available to businesses in Ghana for inclusive growth. Mumpewe. Another highlight I wanted to point out to you people from Finance Minister no a speech or mine, then we will go on to what we came here to do today. Interventions. So where the now okokana NDC for Adrian no cause NT be that okoka intervention no money na beto them. Into the ameba can so say yampa na sebe buka for no mama ye who say yampa because when him adia ba ko yam face the country, we want jobs. Job near the den you sika. Yes, say, ye kopeska de baby development bank. Ne beya face the country for ye de den you skinny be afraid the ashoma baby and also yantias ye pay development bank. It's more than the Amopane say Mahama is the president. I'm sorry, or your Boka president on Yadio. Ya Papa Mahama, or nim government now, or nim will be biao. Na Andra, he showed his incompetence to the high.